and today we're talking lime. Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Morella and welcome to my kitchen, and today we're talking lime because there's nothing more annoying than cutting your lime and when you go to squeeze it, it's dry like the desert. I know, it's so annoying. So I want to give you 3 tips on how to choose the juiciest lime ever. So the first tip is color. And you see here we've got a lime, and you can see here we've got dark green, and here light yellow, very light green. When the lime has that difference in color, you can, if I turn around, you can see that it has yellow tones, green tones. So when you have that, it means the lime is at its best. Second tip is shiny. I've got 2 limes here and you can see the difference. This, it's dark green and it's very opaque. This one, it's got those 2 tones and you can see the light reflects on the skin that it's very shiny. When you touch it, it's very waxy. So that's the second thing that you're looking for, that the skin is shiny. The third tip is how smooth the skin is. You can see that the skin in this one, the darker one, it's really rough. You know, if you can see it there, it's got like, it's very porous, it's very rough to the touch, and also visually it's very sort of rough. Whereas this one, you can see the skin, it's smoother. It's not as rough as the other one. You can see it's shiny, and you can also see that it has less bumps than the other one. So you can see it there. So this one reflects less the light, and you can see the more textured skin, and this one has less textured skin. It's more smooth, it's more soft. So those are my 3 tips on how to choose the juiciest lime. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share. And if you were not subscribed, then subscribe to the channel, because if cooking is your thing, I've got tons and tons of recipes from breakfast to dinners, and all easy recipes for everyday cooking and special occasions as well. So I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.